Hello, everybody. Welcome back. It's Lunch with Leeloo. My name is Nick. Welcome, everybody, for joining us today. It's Wednesday. We have FOMC and federal rate funds coming up. So the forecast is that the rate should stay the same. Nothing looks like it's going to be changing, but you never know. We might have any surprises over there. So today, if you're joining up, it's just me. We're gonna be checking out what's going on in the markets. We might actually even see if a few setups are showing up. Anything entertaining on the NQ, on the S, anything going on. This is the news currently. Today, as we said, FOMC. Next week, tomorrow, unemployment claims, and on Friday we have core PPI. So be sure you guys are checking out for that. Be sure to be aware of it. You don't want to get stuck with any open positions. Just if the news is about to hit your trade, it can always go in your favor. But with news, always a lot of slippage. You could get you have your stop loss and it could get slipped 10, 15, 20, 30 points in just a second. So be aware of that. So let's move on. Let's see what else is going on. We do have here a few earnings reports. As you can see, a lot of companies are doing their earnings reports this week. Today we have Tesla, we have Meta, we have Microsoft. This is after hours, so after close. Be aware of that. It's check what time it's going to be. If you are planning on still trading at that time, I know Meta could move the market a lot, so be aware of it. And let's see what's going on in the markets. We'll do a quick analysis, a little rundown on the markets. So give me a quick second here. We have our NQ chart. We have been doing this analysis since the end of November, pretty much. And as you can see, we had, last time we spoke, we talked about this rejection over here that happened on NQ. And since then, we talked about that it's been pretty much the same thing every time. This is daily chart on the NQ. Every time that it rejected it and this reversal pattern, we have had a bullish movement out of it. And it's no different in this one. Pretty much, we called out this one on last week, I believe. And as you can see, we had a huge bullish movement. Now we are rejecting it strongly because we're pretty much close to all-time highs over here on the NQ to the left. But yeah, right now we haven't had it. Like, if you can see the weight at the bottom, markets have not gone down since the open. So we're pretty much rejecting strong. It could potentially show what they're preparing for today's FOMC. So be aware of that. It's and if you watch a engulfing candles YouTube video we uploaded a few weeks ago, we have this engulfed inside candle. We have this it created a strong rejection. So be sure to check out that video if you haven't. Definitely a good tip out there to analyze the market and see how you can take advantage of this rejection right there. But yeah, the NQ is doing crazy numbers. It hadn't, what is this move? 240 points on the day so far. Let's see what the ES is doing. ES, pretty much the same story, but on ES we do have an all-time high actually. Let me look this up here. We did create a new all-time high on ES, reaching over 7,037, which was the previous 36, the previous all-time high. And yeah, again, the same reversal pattern that we talked about last week. We predicted it again, and we're rejecting strongly now. Let me see. We also had a crazy drop on gold. Let me see if we can see it on a 1 minute time frame here. Yeah, look at this huge drop here on gold. On, what was this, 2 minutes? We have 64 points drop right away. The markets are going crazy. Trump is speaking We might have Powell speaking soon also. These markets are not for the faint-hearted. Be aware of it. It's a lot to take in. Always, my best suggestion is always size down, because you don't want to enter by mistake on a mini contract. But let me see. I missed the trade. Okay, so this is a 15-minute 15-minute chart on the MNQ. I wanted to see if I was able to take the trade with you guys. Let me see if it showed up actually. I'm gonna move quickly to a 30-second. This is 30-second time frame, maybe, yes. So let me see if there's always a setup for me here. When did it close? Yeah, would have entered somewhere around here and would have gotten out at this high. I wanted to take this setup with you guys, but unfortunately already, I was busy talking there. But yeah, would have been a great long here. It's pretty much, if you want me to explain it real quick, let me see. I have a message from King Trading 78. Hey Leeloo, you guys keep up the good work. Hey King Trading, thank you so much for the nice and kind message. Appreciate it. Thank you for showing up. Let me go back to the little setup that I was going to explain here. So whenever you see an open gap on the 15 minutes, like this one, this is known as the fair value gap. You can see that, just like that. I always like to mark the low in this case, because we're gonna reverse. If it's if it's a bearish gap, we're gonna try to trade it to the upside. I usually drop down to a lower time frame and wait for a bearish fair value gap, and then just to be inverted, and then just use the target, that open gap on the 15 minutes as a target, and you can just give me 1 second. So you can just guys can just check out the trade, see how it would work. Always drop down to a lower time frame and see. Unfortunately, like I mentioned, it had already happened, but yeah, I wanted to take that with you guys live. So it's a trade that doesn't give you too many setups today, because you have to wait for a 15-minute for value gap. So that doesn't happen too much, right? I wanted to take this on a PA that I have here, but yeah, unfortunately we couldn't take it. But maybe next time, maybe next Wednesday, because I don't think it's going to happen again. Like, this is the one that I'm talking about, this fair value gap. I go mark the high candle, drop down to a 30-second time frame. This is the trade that I took. So this is the level that we're looking for, right? Or that one right there. So let's say this hasn't happened just yet. The 15-minute candle closes. You have this little gap over here, and as soon as it's inverted, this candle closes there, so you would go long, right? You put your stop loss behind the low, and your target will be right at the high. And you wait, boom, and you get a hit. I would say it's a pretty good setup, and it's a pretty good high win rate. This setup right here is not like a good risk to reward, but it's usually around 1-to-1, right? So it's always a good setup to have in mind for you guys. It's always counter trend, so if that's not your style, maybe don't check it out, don't go for it. But yeah, definitely one of my favorite setups to trade, 100%. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Discord about it. We can maybe jump on a call on Discord, talk about it, answer any questions. But that's what I wanted to show you guys today. And the setup has shown up twice today, and it worked both times. So it's a small sample, but it's a pretty good and decent trading setup. So yeah, with that, the markets are going to be waiting for news in pretty much a little bit, almost in 2 hours. So that's at 2 p.m. Eastern time, as we talked about. But yeah, Let's hope that nothing crazy happens, but be aware. It's usually these Wednesdays are choppy until the news is released, as we talk about the Fed fund rates and the FOMC statements, both coming up soon. Then later you have the FOMC press conference, but usually Powell talks, and volatility goes crazy high. We might see high movements, big volatility on NQ. So yeah, be aware of that. And with that, guys, unfortunately, I wanted to take that trade with you guys on stream, but I was talking for too long. All right. So with that, I'll let you guys be. I just wanted to show that little setup on the live stream. Unfortunately, we couldn't take it. So thank you, everybody. Have a great rest of your week. We'll see you Monday for our Leeloo Market Pulse. So thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you, guys.